So is your child somewhere around 2 years old and you're really sick of changing disgusting, poopy diapers, but you're not quite sure if your child is ready for potty training? Well, stay tuned and we will talk about all the top signs of knowing when your child is ready. Hey guys, I'm Missy Yondo from Slumber and Bloom. I'm a certified pediatric sleep consultant and also a certified potty training consultant. Today we're going to talk all about potty training. So if that sounds interesting, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click the bell so that you get notified every time I put out new videos. So here at Slumber and Bloom, I get messages all the time saying my child is turning 2 or my child is turning 3. They have to be ready for potty training, right? Wrong. Age is not the only factor that contributes to potty training readiness. Let me say that again. Age is not the only contributing factor to potty training readiness. I promise you, there are other signs to know if your child is ready for potty training. Age, yes, it can contribute to whether or not your child is developmentally ready for potty training, but it's not everything. It's not everything. A huge sign that your child is ready for potty training is when they actually ask you to change their diaper because they peed or pooped in it. Kids at a certain age, they just stop. They don't want to get wet and dirty anymore. Sometimes kids will actually bring you a clean diaper and ask for you to change them. If your child is doing this, then they are definitely on the path to being ready for potty training. Another sign that your child might be ready for potty training is if they are staying dry for 2 or more hours. If your child is staying dry for 2 or more hours, then that means that their bladder and their muscle control is increasing and that they can actually hold their urine for a couple hours at a time. That means they definitely might be ready for potty training. So parents who like privacy, I'm sorry, but throw that out the door like 2 years ago, because I'm pretty sure your privacy went away when you gave birth to your child. But if your child is interested and showing interest in the potty and they're curious as to what you're doing in the bathroom when you're going potty, show them. Let them be interested, because that is a sign that they are ready for potty training. And in this way, they are already taking in what you are doing in the bathroom, and they're learning the process of releasing their pee and poop into the potty. And you know what? Be super cheesy about it with your kid, and when you pee and poop, let your kid help you flush the toilet and wave goodbye to your poops. Say, bye poops, smell you later. Make it fun. It doesn't have to be this like serious, like no one talks about pee and poop in this house. Let your kids watch you and let them flush your poop down the toilet too. Another sign that your child is ready or nearly ready for potty training is if they can pull up and down their own pants. This is going to be a huge help. So let's say, for example, your child is about 18 months old and they can't quite navigate their own pants. You might want to work on that skill before starting to potty train them. It's going to make your job a whole lot easier if your child can independently do their own pants. Last but not least, another indicator that your child is ready for potty training is that they want privacy. If your child is hiding in a corner and making that poop face and you know that your child is in that corner pooping, it is time to ditch the diapers and start potty training. Seriously, if your kid is ready for privacy, then it is time. Ditch the diapers. Ditch those diapers and start potty training. So those are all the indicators that your child may be ready for potty training. If you want to take a quiz that will tell you straight up if your child is definitely ready, then click the link in the description box below and take my quiz. With this quiz, you will also get my free potty training guide. This guide is filled with information to help you guys potty train quickly, effectively, and easily the first time around, so you only have to do it once. While we're on the topic, talking about if your child is ready for potty training, I also want to throw out a huge disclaimer. There is no gender that is easier or harder to potty train. Let's just throw it out there in the open, because I know that that's a question that many people ask. Boys are not harder than girls. Girls are not harder than boys. Each child is different, and your child is different than the next child. So make sure that you're really looking at the signs of readiness and not the gender and not just the age of your child, because there's so much more that contributes to being ready for potty training than just those few little things. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if your child is ready for potty training. If they are ready for potty training and you would love my support through this adventure, then you should definitely consider joining my potty party. I host these potty parties every other month, so there's always a great time to get started and have group support while going through this process. My potty parties are 10 days long. You get my potty training plan, all of my resources, printable things that you can hang up at your child's level to help them navigate going to the potty independently. You get 3 days of prep work and 7 days of implementation in a private group, all with my support there every step of the way answering your questions. So shoot me a message or check out the link in the description box below for my potty parties. Another quick thing that I just wanted to throw out there is that potty training is a process. If your child has had huge success in the first day, that is amazing, it is wonderful, but still expect some accidents, okay? It's going to happen. So just make sure that you are prepared and make sure that you are patient and make sure that you are ready for a marathon, not a sprint. And remember to have fun with your child because this is your first experience of learning what your child's learning style is. So keep that in mind and have fun with it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. What are you doing? Blah. Hopefully this is good. I had to switch memory cards, so. All right, no. Okay. Let me pause it.